All right. Well, hello everyone. Advanced Algebra and Trig. This is Mr. Steinman here. The projector's not working, so I'm recording the class notes for Google Classroom. And today we're going to go to the final page of our notes packet. And it's going to be finding the equation of a line given 2 points. So we did a little bit of a taste of this in our practice when we looked at those 2 points on the graph. But today I'm going to give you the formula for how to do this even without the visual component, the graph. You just need those 2 coordinate points. So just to review, the equation of a line can be written as y equals mx plus b. So we need a slope and a y-intercept. And as we can see here, the slope formula is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. What does that exactly mean? Well, we have an example 1 here. Given the coordinates of 2 points, A and B, what is the equation of the line that passes through them? So with this, we have A is going to be representing of our x1 and y1 coordinate, and point B will be representative of our x2, y2 coordinate. And in this way we can already know what they are, right? So we know that x1 is equal to -3 by looking up here. x2 equal to 1, so the x value when it pertains to point B. y1 is equal to -5. Respectively, y2 is equal to 3. So now we can say with the formula m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, that would equal, what's y2? 3 minus -5. x2 is equal to 1, and you subtract x1, and you'd get 3 minus -5, which is also equivalent to 3 plus 5, that would equal 8. 1 minus -3, that equals +4. Minus a negative means adding the positive. So 8 over 4, that ends up being 2. So our slope ends up being m equals 2. That's our slope. So now that we know the slope, plugging in m and either point xy into the y equals mx plus b, we can plug in, just for the sake of simplicity, plug in a. So we'll plug in -3, -5. So in this case, instead of y, we'll make it -5. We know that the slope is equal to 2, and the x in point A is equal to -3 plus b. Now our job is to solve for b, as it asks us. -5 equals -6 plus b. And you add 6 to both sides, and you'll get b is equal to 1. And to write our final equation, we know y equals mx plus b, but when you plug in our known values for m and b respectively, you get y equals 2x plus 1. Now I want you guys to spend the rest of this time working on the remaining examples here.